please subscribe. Please, just please subscribe. What's up guys, Josiah back here with another video. Today's video, me and Adamar are gonna take on the world's largest gummy worm. We're both gonna we're gonna cut it in half, blue, red side, he gets the red, I get the blue, and we're just gonna see how much we can eat. Well, it's not gonna be a time or anything on rush. We're not gonna rush to eat it or try to have a competition and race and blah blah blah.
Even though I would win.
But we're just gonna see how much we can eat because it's so big and juicy. That's what she said. I'm just checking. Alright.
Alright. So first in this unboxing video.
You gotta tell. Oh, okay.
No, we're gonna use.
Well, you need to see.
Alright, so the first part of this unboxing video is we're gonna go ahead and open it from right here. Okay? So we're just gonna go ahead and.
You have it. He was trying to cut it with the non-sharp part of the knife.
Alright, so in the box we get. Alright, in this box
we get literature. We get the literature.
Ooh, very nice packaging. Oh my god.
Alright guys, there it is. Alright, it smells so good.
Oh, it does.
Oh god, this shit is heavy. That's what she said. Ooh, alright. So
we're gonna open it. $2. Oh, we actually got it in the middle.
I know, we're directly in the middle.
Oh my god.
Alright guys, it is officially in 2 pieces.
Now we're gonna fucking
demolish the rest of the video. You're literally just gonna watch us eat this big ass piece of gummy, juicy.
And we're gonna talk about some trending topics.
Alright.
Ready?
Wait,
hold on. Where the fuck?
Hey, I get some of the red too.
What? Oh.
Damn.
You have more than me?
Fucking
yay.
Alright. This actually tastes really good.
I know. I'm just gonna get nasty real quick though.
Yeah. But so guys.
So what are we gonna talk about?
Adamar is pretty sad.
Why?
If you guys want to know why he's sad, it's because Ariana Grande and her engagement type thing.
Oh my god.
I don't think it's real. I think it's just TMZ acting retarded. And if you guys didn't know, Adamar's in love with that girl.
Ariana Grande is my love.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
She will always be my love.
She's ugly.
She is not fucking ugly, dude. She's like the prettiest girl ever.
She won't ever get this from you.
A gummy worm? Oh,
The
you're implying that. Oh. Man, honestly, she's been going out with that guy for like 3 weeks. For what we know. I don't know if she was cheating on my
She was cheating on him.
Maybe. And then they're...
It's true. It's sad but true. That's fucking nasty.
They're fucking engaged now. It's crazy. But whatever. I'm not mad. I don't care. Whatever.
This is so much. There's no way.
Not even... No, there is. Wait, do we get to have one in this? I kind of want some.
1, 2, 3. So all we did there? Magic.
Oh, we gotta tell them. These just stick together. Oh, and you're eating that part. We gotta tell them about our channel. A&J Skits, guys.
Films. He forgot. See? He's not even in it. It's all me.
A&J Films. My bad.
If you guys haven't already, you guys did it, and we're checking the subscribers. There's only 2 people, which is probably me and him. So, if you guys, please subscribe to that channel because we're gonna be posting a lot of skits. We have like 3 already lined up, and we're gonna make it so much better than The Noise. The Noise was good. It was our first film. You guys, I think you guys liked it. I hope you guys liked it. I liked it. He liked it. We liked it. We all liked it. So, if you guys want to see more of those, please subscribe. Please, just please subscribe. Please do it. Please.
Do it for the love.
We'll have it right here.
Actually, yeah, I found out it's across my body.
Yeah, I know.
I was always like, link's right there. Fucking pops up over there.
So, I can't eat all this. He's sitting here smacking in my face. How can you eat that big?
This is horrible. This is torture. God. Alright. Are these clean?
Yeah. Alright guys, so it literally makes you lose your appetite from the gummy worm. Like it looks and smells so good when you first open it, but then as soon as you take like your first 5 bites, you're just like, ugh, ugh. But that'll probably be the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video, leave a like, comment, share the video, and if you guys are new to my channel, new to his channel, please subscribe because we need the support, we need the people, we need everybody, so we could potentially grow. We grow as a family. You know what I'm saying?
We need you guys.
We need you guys.
Now, I know well, me personally, he's a little bit closer than I am, but
I gotta do the second.
We're pretty far away from 1,000 subscribers, but I'm already. I don't know if you're. But I'm already planning on. But I'm already planning on doing a giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. I don't know if he's planning to do that, but I am. At 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna do a giveaway. It's not gonna be that big, but it will be a $100 plus prize. So once you guys help me get to 1,000 subscribers, I'll post a video on 1,000 subscribers giveaway, and then whoever comments and then likes I can't really no, but whoever comments, I'm gonna pick randomly with my eyes closed in a hat. What are you doing? And I'm gonna pick someone. I'm gonna give that person that gift. All right. So please subscribe and. Arrowhead water is the worst freaking water ever.
I love Arrowhead.
Arrowhead is the nastiest water you can ever drink.
It doesn't taste like anything.
It tastes like shit. That's what it tastes like. The best water. You wanna know what the best water is? Dasani. Dasani is the best freaking water there is.
They all have chemicals in it, and it makes them taste nasty.
No, this tastes nasty.
It has nothing in it.
Dasani,
because it's pure spring water,
which tastes nasty.
No, I'd rather
chemicals.
I'd rather ew. What the fuck you want?
Makes
fucking
it taste
nutric acid and shit in
I
your
don't
body.
care. This
is why your pee-pee's small.